Greetings, everybody. I got a request to do a tutorial on how I do my head wraps. Thank you, Dorothy. So I'm going to show you a few. Forgive my hair, it's twisted. So one of my favorite head wraps is actually an infinity scarf that I got from the dollar store, which I love because it's super stretchy. But anyway, the way that I do this one is I unfold it and I put it on my head to the back. Then I bring it up, make sure my ears are covered, try to make sure that it's pretty flat, and then I just twist. Twist, twist, twist. And then once you twist, you just kind of roll it like a cinnamon roll. And then for the end, you're going to tuck it under. And then you can make this wider if you want. I like to make sure that my ears are covered. Turn my light back on. So there's that. And then, you know, if you want to turn it around, you can wear your little knot on the side or in the back. If you want to have some hair out, you could do that too. Okay, so there's one. Then I'm going to show you how to put an entire pashmina on your head, which is what this is. So I do the same thing. I grab it in the middle, put it on, make sure that it's covering up my kitchens. Okay, and then I'm going to make sure it's not too tight on my ears. And then I'm gonna just twist, 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 twist. Roll it around like a cinnamon roll. Keep twisting. This one has fringes like most of your pashmina, so you just kind of wrap those and tuck the fringes in, or not, but it's completely up to you if you want the fringes to be showing or if you want to tuck them in. And then once it feels nice and secure, check your ears. Make sure it's not too tight. Make sure all your little kitchen is in the back. And that is it. And that's how I do my head wraps. I hope that was helpful. Thanks again, Dorothy, for asking me to do this. I hope it was helpful. Twist, twist, twist. Probably do this in my sleep now. I've got all these little loose ends. There.